Hey guys, welcome to Homeowner Repair. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change out the front windshield wiper blades on your Ford Expedition. This is pretty easy to do. You can do it in your driveway. What I'll show you is the little release button to release them out and slide them out of the windshield wiper arm. It's not hard to do, but it can be a little tricky if you're not sure what to look for. Before we roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you, or one of our subscribers as well. If you want to help support the channel, I have a link in the description over to our Amazon store, and it'll have a spot where you can shop for windshield wiper blades for your Expedition. But enough of that. Let's get started on this, and we've done it in a couple minutes. It's pretty easy to do. So what you want to look for is this little tab right here. You're going to bend it down towards the wiper arm, and with that push down, you're going to pull towards the windshield of the truck, and it'll slide right out of the arm for you. So basically the arm has a hook on it right here, so you're going to slide it out like that, and then this is what the hook looks like. And then when you get your new wipers, make sure it has this type of a connection, or you have that connection on the inside right there. It looks like this. Let me see if I can push it up. So this is what it looks like, the connector inside the arm. That's the one you want. You know, when you buy windshield wiper blades, they usually come with a couple of connectors depending on the vehicle. This one will, or should, connect to your Expedition. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that little connector, if it's not already attached, you're gonna press it onto the little pin inside right there, so you can see the little notch. Take it, press it in, you should hear it click. Make sure it's in there good. So now you're gonna go over and you're gonna just slide it right into the hook on the wiper blade arm. So you're gonna take your new wiper blade. So you're gonna take your new wiper blade, position it into the hook, then slide it forward, and it should lock into place for you. So you want to give it a little tug to make sure it's securely in there and it doesn't slide back out. It should click into place. Now you can lower your new wiper blade to the windshield and repeat the same process on the other side. So that's all there is to it. Not rocket science, but you know, if you haven't done it before, it could be a little intimidating. Just wanted to do a quick video, show you how to do it. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.